Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'm bringing all my friends and family together with this apple cinnamon pork chop recipe, perfect for any winter day. Start by seasoning both sides of your pork chops with salt and pepper. Use your favorite cut, or try Midwest pork bone-in chops. Pork is packed with protein, which is great for building strong muscles and bones. These pork chops also contain a variety of B vitamins, which are key in helping our bodies convert the food we eat into energy. Next, grab a parent to help you melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once melted, add the pork chops. Cook each side for about 3 minutes or until brown. Transfer browned pork chops to a plate and then set aside. Add an additional tablespoon of butter to the skillet before adding your apples and onions. Hy-Vee's produce department has a huge variety of apples to choose from, ranging from sweet and tart to crisp and crunchy. Today, I'm using Cosmic Crisp apples because they're one of my personal favorites and hold up really well in this sauce. Remember to leave the peel on for an extra boost of fiber, which helps keep us feeling full. After 5 minutes, you're ready to add the rest of the ingredients. Once combined, return the pork chops to the skillet and cook until done. You'll want to use a digital thermometer to check this. The pork chops will be done when they reach an internal temp of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you'll let them sit for 3 minutes before serving. Serve each pork chop with the apple mixture spooned on top. Keep my plate in mind for a balanced meal. Choose your family's favorite food from the grains group, like brown rice, potatoes, or maybe even experiment with an ancient grain like farro or quinoa. Eating a variety of food groups at every meal helps boost our health today and in the years to come.